Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video of Daily 5 Arithmetic series. So in this video we are going to discuss the percentage topic problems. Today I have taken the PO level arithmetic questions of percentage topic. So let's get started. Sum of the number of boys and girls in a class is 600. If the number of boys is x, then the number of girls becomes x percentage of the total number of students. How many girls are there in a school? Okay, so they had given the sum of the boys and girls in the school as 600. So in that, if x is the number of boys, therefore the number of girls will be 600 minus x. But here they have mentioned that the number of girls becomes x percentage of the total number of students, means the 600 minus x will be equal to x percentage of the total number of students, that is 600. Therefore 600 minus x, that will be equal to 6x, and 7x will be equal to 600. So x will be equal to 85.7. Therefore x is equal to approximately 86. And the number of girls will be 600 minus 86, so that will be equal to 514. Next, monthly salary of Arya is 18,000. The salary of Siri is 20% greater than Ira. The salary of Bunty is 15% greater than Siri. The salary of her friend is 50% less than the total salary of the sum of Siri and Bunty. So find the salary of Ira's friend. So initially they had given the monthly salary of Ira is 18,000. So in that the Siri's salary will be 20% greater than Ira, means 6 by 5 times of 18,000. So that will be equal to 21600. And also they had given that the salary of Bunty is 15% greater than that of Siri. That is, here we know that the salary of Siri will be 21600 into, so this is 15% greater than, means 23 divided by 20. So that will be equal to 24909. Okay, and also they have mentioned that the salary of our friend we have to calculate, means the Ira's friend's salary. So and her salary is 50% less than the total salary of the sum of Siri's salary and the Bunty's salary. Okay, and we know that the sum of the salary of Bunty will be 24909 and Siri will be 21600. So if I add this and I divide it by 2, I will get 23220. So this will be the salary of Ira's friend. Next question. The salary of Aditi is increased by 5,300 rupees and the rate of income tax is decreased by 4% from the 14%. So the effect is such that she now is paying the same income tax as before. If in both the cases the value added tax deduction is fixed at 25% of the total income, so find the increased salary. Okay, so initially here we can see that, so here there is nothing changing, means earlier she used to pay something as income tax, so now also she is paying the same income tax, but here her salary is increased and her tax percentage paying is reduced. Okay, so that will be, I can write it as x into 14% of 100, so that will be equal to, so this got reduced by 4%, means 14 minus 4 will be 10%. So 10 by 100 into x plus 5,300, because this deducted income tax is applicable for the salary of which is increased salary, means x plus 5,300, and we know that initially what was the salary of the Aditi. So after simplifying this, I will get 7x will be equal to 10 by 2 times of x plus 5,300. So therefore 14x will be equal to 10x plus 53,000 and 4x will be equal to 53,000. X will be equal to 13250. And here they asked the increased salary of Aditi. Therefore x plus 53,000 x plus 5,300, that is this x value 13250 plus 5300, we will get 18,550 rupees. So next question, if of the 1500 villagers 50% of the boys, out of which 30% are literate, if of all the villagers 40% are literate, then what percentage of the girls of the villagers are literate? Okay, so here they had given the total 1500 members are there in the villages. So in that 50% are boys and remaining are girls. Okay, so if I divide it by 2, I will get 750. So in that 30% are literate, means 225 uh, members in the boys are literate. Okay, and also they had mentioned that, so here 40% of them in the out of the total number of villagers are literates. Okay, that is 2 by 5th of 1500 will be literates. Okay, so the total number of villagers who are literate, so here there is an inclusion of both the male and female, that is boys and girls. Okay, and here we got already the boys. Okay, and here if I subtract the 225 from the 600, I will get 375, and we have to calculate the percentage of the girls of the villagers who are literate. Okay, so out of 750 girls, so 375 girls are literate, so that should be multiplied with 100, then I will get 50%. Then, so we spent 32% of his salary on the daily expense, so 20% of the rest on car, and 28% of the rest on maintenance. Okay, so if he saves rupees 12,240, so find the amount spent by him on maintenance. Okay, so initially we don't know what was the salary of his, of the V. Okay, so that's why I have taken X. So in that he spends 32% of his salary on the daily expense. So if he spends 32 out of 100, means then we will be remained with 68%, that is 68 divided by 100. So then again he spends the 20% of the rest on car, so we will be remained with 4 by 5th of the total amount. And if I next he spent 28% of the rest on maintenance, so we will be remained with 72% of the 100. Okay, so that will be equal to, because he saves 12,240, which is the remaining amount, so that will be equal to 12,240. So after simplifying all this, I will get the value of x as 31250. So and they asked, see what was the amount spent by him on the maintenance. So here on the maintenance we got the total salary of him, that is 13250, and if I multiply this with, like again 68 by 100 and 80 by 100 into 28 by 100, so we will get this is the amount he spent on maintenance. Okay, so that will be 4,760. So that's it for today. So I am done with the daily arithmetic questions. So please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching.